if you're ready to level up, I need you paying attention. All right, I got a couple of anonymous testimonies that I'd like to share because I've had a few ladies recently take their stuff to the next level and start getting results. All right, I've got a few ladies that were struggling to get results from their efforts, and they were trying. They were working out 4 to 5 days a week. They were eating healthy, I would say at least 80% of the time, but their weight loss, their fitness and health goals just weren't happening. So they've committed to a program recently called 75 Hard. They're incorporating the boot camp in this, but 75 Hard is a program that you do 2 workouts a day for 75 days. You commit to clean eating and no alcohol for 75 days. You read 10 minutes of nonfiction and a few other things. All right, there's a small list of things that you're gonna do for 75 days straight, no days off on this stuff. These ladies have been committed to that. They took themselves up a level within their habits, their commitment to themselves, and they're starting to see results. All right, and it's unfortunate because a lot of people doing what they were doing, exercising 4 or 5 days a week and eating healthy 80%, 90% of the time, most people can get at least decent results. So these ladies had to stop for a second and admit to themselves they are an unusual case. Their bodies are being a little stubborn to them. All right, and it's unfortunate, but instead of just moping and going, oh, well, I can't get some results, I'm gonna quit now, and then 2 months later coming back 5 or 10 pounds heavier going, well, I might try again, and repeating this issue over and over again, they stepped up and they took their commitment to another level because they're ready to level up. So we got to get you on this level up now. I want you to pick 3 to 5 things that you're going to lock in on for the month of June. All right, we're going to do a 30 hard for you. We're going to pick 3 to 5 things that you know you could commit stronger to. All right, if there's late night snacking, I did have someone tell me this recently. They eat great during the day, but then every couple of days they make themselves ice cream with caramel drizzle on it, and then they sit there and eat it while they go, why am I doing this to myself? So that's one of the things I've challenged this person to incorporate in their own challenge for themselves during June. All right, she said, I have to get better at this. She's gonna make sure that for 30 days straight, no night snacking. We all have several things that we need to work on. I want you to pick 3 to 5, write them down, send them to me, comment them on this post, and I will check in with you weekly through the month of June, do some assessments, some evaluations, make sure that you're staying on top of this. But what I need from you, I need 100% commitment, 100% effort, okay? If you're not going to lock in on this the way that you lock in for your job, you show up Monday through Friday, whatever your schedule is, you're there, you're 40 hours per week. You're not late, you don't no call, no show. You don't say, I don't feel like it today, because you need that money to pay your bills. I need you to lock in and step up, and you're gonna do those 3 to 5 things for 30 days straight like it's your damn job. There is no making excuses. There is no, I don't feel like it. There is no, oh, well, one day's gonna hurt. Lock in for yourself, make that commitment. We're gonna take this to the next level, and sometimes we have to admit that what we're doing right now is getting us the results we're getting right now. So to get a better result, we have to do different, more hardcore things. We gotta lock in on a different level, y'all. All right, I'm here to support you. If you need help with those ideas, if you need to brainstorm, talk it out, get with me. But we're gonna take this to that next level, okay? Lock in and let's get it done. Yeah.